In the world of business, not every cost is directly tied to making a product. Let's look at administrative expenses. These are often called overhead. They are the costs required to keep the company doors open and the lights on. Most admin costs are fixed. Whether a company sells one item or 1,000, these bills usually stay the same. Think of items like office rent, legal fees, and the salaries of the support staff who keep the business running smoothly. Administrative costs differ from production costs, which are directly tied to the materials and labor used to create goods. High administrative costs can eat into profit margins, so businesses often track these carefully to maintain efficiency. Managing these expenses is about finding the right balance between supporting operations and maximizing overall efficiency. Understanding these categories helps you read financial statements more clearly. Like and subscribe for more basics.